Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Did you know that 1 in 10 Europeans is conceived in an IKEA bed? That's how deeply IKEA is woven into our lives. More than a furniture store, IKEA is a global phenomenon. Its blue and yellow buildings promise affordable, stylish design for all. But how did it all begin? The story starts in Småland, Sweden, with a boy named Ingvar Kamprad. Ingvar grew up in a thrifty, hardworking community. From a young age, he showed a knack for business, buying matches in bulk and selling them for a small profit. He soon expanded to selling fish, seeds, and pens, always focused on solving everyday problems for his neighbors. Ingvar learned that by buying directly from producers and keeping costs low, he could offer good products for less, a philosophy that would shape IKEA. His belief: everyone deserves a beautiful, functional home, no matter their income. From selling matches on a bicycle, Ingvar's simple idea would one day spark joy in millions of homes worldwide. In 1943, at just 17, Ingvar Kamprad founded IKEA, named after his initials, his family farm, and his village. IKEA began as a mail-order business, selling small household items to rural customers. Ingvar's goal: bring useful products to people who couldn't easily access shops. The big shift came in 1948, when he added furniture to the catalog, well-made, affordable pieces for ordinary people. The breakthrough? Flat-pack furniture. When an employee removed a table's legs to fit it in a car, Ingvar realized shipping furniture in pieces could cut costs and make transport easier. Flat packs meant lower prices, less damage, and instant gratification for customers. This simple innovation became IKEA's signature. Ingvar's focus was always on the customer: good design, low prices, and practical solutions for everyday life. The flat pack revolutionized the industry and set IKEA apart. It was the start of a mission to create a better everyday life for the many. Flat pack furniture was a hit with customers, but not with competitors. The Swedish furniture industry saw IKEA's low prices as a threat and organized a boycott, cutting off suppliers. Instead of giving up, Ingvar looked abroad, finding new partners in Poland, where costs were even lower. This bold move saved IKEA and became the foundation of its global supply chain. Ingvar learned that every problem hides an opportunity. The boycott forced IKEA to innovate, source internationally, and control its own designs. This experience shaped IKEA's philosophy of democratic design: form, function, quality, sustainability, and low price for all. Ingvar's resilience turned obstacles into strengths, making IKEA stronger and more global. His vision: good design should be accessible to everyone, everywhere. With its supply chain secure, IKEA opened its first store in Älmhult, Sweden in 1958. Ingvar designed stores as destinations, one-way layouts, inspiring room settings, and even a restaurant for hungry shoppers. Customers loved taking furniture home the same day and assembling it themselves, a unique IKEA experience. As IKEA expanded across Europe and beyond, its blue and yellow stores became global icons. Despite his success, Ingvar remained humble, flying economy, driving an old Volvo, and preaching thriftiness. His values: simplicity, modesty, and cost consciousness shaped IKEA's culture. Ingvar's testament of a furniture dealer encouraged togetherness, daring to be different, and always improving. He believed most things still remain to be done, a spirit that keeps IKEA evolving. Ingvar's character is imprinted on every aspect of the company. His simple vision continues to guide IKEA worldwide. Today, Ingvar Kamprad's legacy is alive in IKEA's focus on sustainability, innovation, and affordability. The company invests in renewable energy, uses recycled materials, and explores new store formats for changing cities. Technology like augmented reality helps customers visualize products at home. Yet, IKEA stays true to its roots: simplicity, function, and low prices for all. Ingvar's story proves you don't need privilege to change the world. Just a simple idea, determination, and a desire to serve others. From selling matches to building a global brand, his journey inspires entrepreneurs everywhere. As Ingvar said, to design a good desk for $50 takes the very best. Thank you for joining us. Like and subscribe for more inspiring journeys.